Okay. So, Ingress Day for BIMC Mindanao 2026. So, we've rented this truck, motorcycle truck with lifter para wala nang iintindihin. Ayan. Okay. And ample space, talagang maluwag siya for our bikes. Okay. Okay. So, ito na yung mga bikes. So, pinapack namin with bubble wrap and stretch film. Oh, kaway kayo dyan, kaway kayo dyan. Video. So, yan yung mga bikes namin. Okay. Yung bike ko. Balot na. Ready to rock. Just to make sure kasi iwas mga ulan at saka tama ng mga sanga or tubig alat. Yan. Salt water. So this one, naka-ready na. Kunti pa. Pabalikan to. So this one. That's it. See you sa Mindanao BIMC 2026.